back a bit now, come on.
Hmm?
No, I said this spinning back in it, yeah.
Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, cause that concrete up here, look. Any hesitation, you're not gonna make it. Well, you got me here, innit? Because I'll fucking do anything, me.
Hey, I've lost my goggles.
You what?
My goggles.
Wait. Get somehow. Woo! So yeah, lads.
It's better next time for me.
Yeah. What do you say? We'll go around a bit more. Could do a few more hills.
Fucking goggles are fucked down there.
Shit. Okay, now.
Oh, my goggles
Woo! There, that bottom bit, full rev, and
going down it would help us find way back up.
Yeah.
Then go down, drop down there and you can get through the river a bit.
yeah, yeah. My fucking strap's hurting my leg.
Hold the front of it.
Huh?
Hold the front.
Where you going? Whoop.